All right, I am slowly working on cleaning out my basement. And a couple of years ago, I went through a phase where I bought a lot of craft stuff at estate sales because I want to, in my mind, I'm crafty, but I'm really not. But I hope to be. So anyway, I forgot about this. And like I said, I found this. I don't remember when I bought it or how much I paid for it, but I definitely got it at an estate sale. So as you can see, it's just lots of craft supplies. So let's see what we got. Some glass beads. Real glass bead watch kits. Interesting. There's some crystal, Swarovski crystal sliders. Some crystal beads. Seed beads. Snapping rings. Oh, from Ben Franklin. What was in the Altoids, buddy? I'll have to open that in a minute. Bracelet kit. Beads. Lots of beads.
It's clear.
Oh, I guess this is, expansion dangle silver bracelet. Oh, okay, so you put that's interesting. You put the beads on that. Bags to put stuff in. More of these. More crystals. Beads. This goes pretty deep. Wire. So you can see, like, this is how deep it is. I mean, this is a lot. More beads. Oh, remember these? So cute. Little vintage hairs. Bunch of those beads. So many craft beads. Oh, the bears are falling. Some wire. What is this? Oh, hair jazz bobby pins. To make a bead bobby pin. Wire. Okay, so these are just like the white rhinestones plastic rhinestones to decorate stuff with. More backs. Lots of rhinestones on this side. Rhinestones. Tri beads. Ben Franklin. Let's see the year now. Some sequins. Yep. So, yeah. This whole bin is nothing but beads. So, now I have to sort through all this. No. Sorry, I told my husband I was recording, so that's when he has to talk to me. Isn't that how it works? Anyway, so yeah, that's a whole bunch of beads.